Hello student, in this video I am going to discuss how to find the area of a quadrilateral by using Heron's formula. Let us take an example of a quadrilateral ABCD. Just to find the area of this quadrilateral, where the length of all sides given to you and one more additional information would be given to you, the length of a diagonal. We can find the area of a triangle that is ABC. Then we find the area for the triangle ADC. By adding them, overall we get area of a ABCD. Sometime in the problem, length of a diagonal is not given to you. Length of all sides given to you. One additional information would be given in the question, where one of the angle would be given 90 degree. So that 90 degree will be utilized to find length of a diagonal. Let us try some problems related to this concept. In this problem, we have a quadrilateral given ABCD, sides are 3, 4, 4, 5 and length of one of the diagonal is given 5 centimeter. So in the very first step, we find the area of a triangle ABC. For this we use Heron's formula. First we find semi-perimeter, which comes to be 6. Then find the area of a triangle ABC by using Heron's formula. And that area comes to be 6 centimeter square. In the second step, we'll find the area of a triangle ACD. In this triangle ACD, the first side consider 5, second is 4 and third is 5 centimeter. We find semi-perimeter, which is S A plus B plus C upon 2, and by substituting the value of ABC we get 7. Substitute the value of S, A, B and C in the formula. We get 7 into 2 into 3 into 2. One pair of a 2 is complete, that will be taken outside the root term. We get 2 root 21 centimeter square. And next step, we'll add these area together, area of a first triangle and the area of a second triangle. So overall, the area of a triangle, area of a quadrilateral is 6 plus 2 root 21 centimeter square. This is the second problem. In this problem, all the sides of a quadrilateral is given to you and angle C is given 90 degree. So students, this is the problem I am talking about. Here, length of a diagonal is not given in the question. One of the angle is given 90 degree. For this triangle BCD, if you want to find out the area of this triangle BCD without using diagonal, we can find it because one angle is 90. So general basic formula will use here, half base into height. So area of this triangle, it is half base into height, 12 into 5, 30 meter square. For second triangle, we need to find the length BD. Just to find the length of a BD, we use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle BCD. BD is hypotenuse square, it is equals to 50 square plus CD square. Substitute the value and the length of a BD comes to be 13 meter. This is 13 meter. Now we use Heron's formula in this triangle ABD and we'll find the area of this triangle. And for this, A is 9, B is 8 and C is 13. Find semi-perimeter, which comes to be 15. And then the area of a triangle, substituting the value of S, A, B and C, we get 15, 15 minus 9, 15 minus 8 and 15 minus 13. By simplifying this, we get this value, where 3 repeat 2 times, 2 repeat 2 times, 5 and 7 as such. So one pair of a 3 is complete, will be taken outside. One pair of a 2 is complete, it will be taken outside. We get 3 into 2 root 35, which give you 6 root 35. And overall, your answer means the area of a quadrilateral ABCD, area of a first triangle and the area of a second triangle, which is 30 plus 6 root 35 centimeter square. Let us try another problem. In this problem, the situation is given where a triangle and the parallelogram have the same base and the same area. So we have a situation of this type, same base, a triangle and the parallelogram, they have a same base. And the area of a triangle and the parallelogram, they are same. The common base is 28. It is asked to find the height of a parallelogram. Now, just to find the height of a parallelogram, we find the area of a triangle and compare this with the area of a parallelogram, because it is given in the question area of a triangle is equals to area of a parallelogram. So we start the problem by finding out the area of this triangle, considering the sides A, B and C, finding semi-perimeter which comes to be 42, and then area of a triangle. Just to find the area of a triangle, we use the Heron's formula, substitute the value of S 42, 42 minus 28, minus 30 and minus 26. We get 42 into 14 into 12 into 16. By simplifying them further, we get these factors, and doing the pairing, we'll get the value 28 into 12. In the next step, area of a parallelogram, it is equals to the area of a triangle. This situation is given in the question. And we use the formula base into height for parallelogram. It is equals to area of a triangle 28 into 12. 28 cancelled, height comes to be 12 centimeter. Let us try another problem. A rhombus shaped field has been given, has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of a rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of a grass field will each cow be getting? Students, a trapeze, this rhombus is given. In rhombus all sides are equal and one of the diagonal is given 48 meter. So first we want to find out the area for this rhombus and then divide this area with 18, so we can find how many grass will each cow be getting. We focus on this triangle ABD first. Using A 30, B 30 and C 48, finding semi-perimeter which is comes to be 54. Then the area of a triangle is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Substituting this value, we get 54 into 24 into 24 into 6, and after simplification, this 24 I am not simplifying because it repeats 2 times. 54 will be break as 9 into 6 into 6. 24 and 6, its pair is complete. Square root of a 9 is 3. So we get 3 into 6 into 24, and by multiplying we get 18 into 24 meter square. Then the area of a ABCD, it will be 2 times of 18 into 24. And the area of a grass field will each cow be getting, it is 2 into 18 into 24. It is divided by 18. This 18 cancels with the 18. We get 48 meter square. So the area of each cow be getting, it is 48 meter square. Let us try another problem. In this problem, an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of a cloth of 2 different colors. It measures 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? You see in this case here, there is a one triangle 50, another side is 50, third side is 20. So if we just check here the number of colors, here it's 1, 2, 3, 2 in back side. So we have 5 colors of a dark color and the 5 colors of a light color. So we find the area of a triangle first. Considering A is 20, B 50 and C 50. Semi-perimeter is 60. The area of a triangle, it is 60 into 60 minus 20, 60 minus 50, 60 minus 50. We get 60 into 40 into 10 into 10. Since 0 repeat 4 times, so 100 will be outside. One pair of a 2 is complete. So we'll get 200 root 6 centimeter square. Since they are the 5 area of a 5 triangular pieces of a one color is 5 into 200 root 6, we get 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Then the area of a 5 triangular pieces of each color, it would be 1000 root 6 centimeter square. I hope the question on area of a quadrilateral is clear to you. Thanks for watching this video.